How to fix emo problems on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix emo problems on Android phone. First open settings and here just scroll all the way down until you find here apps, and now click apps again and here just type emo and click on it, and here all you need to do just click permissions and then allow all of those here, allow microphone and camera and contact storage, all of those, and then go to storage, clear cache and go to force stop. And after that, now your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, so just go back here and now go to storage, click clean up, and now here you need to find junk files or cache, anything, just clean some space, and after that just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.